Now, regardless of which stage you're in, it all comes down to one simple system, and that is traffic, filter, and sell. Let me write this down real quick. Traffic, filter, and sell. Let's talk about traffic. Traffic is where everything begins, but it's not what gets you customers. It's about getting the attention into your system. And the ways that you can do this, you can do it with organic or the paid methods. Of course, the organic is going to be preferable because you don't have to pay for it, but it's going to be slower. And you can do this alternatively with paid methods, such as Meta ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, native ads, ads. And those are the ones that you will have to pay for. And over here, the most important part is going to be the creative. Whether you're creating videos, carousels, images, you have to pay attention over there. And attention alone is not really going to make you money either. Because if you don't filter that attention, it's not going to be valuable for you. And that takes us to our filter stage. When you are filtering, the most important step of your funnel is going to be eliminating the noise or the people who you don't want to be working with, or simply maybe they're not qualified to work with you anyways. So you don't want to waste your time, and they're not really getting their time wasted as well. How can you do that? There are multiple ways. You can have a landing page where you direct people into a landing page. They can read it through and they can watch a video just like this one. If they like it, maybe they will fill out a form, give you a call. They could message you directly. So there are multiple ways that you can actually filter. And some of people are doing it via webinars as well. And that is also acceptable. Once you filter people and they self-qualify themselves, the next stage is going to be the selling part. And in the selling stage, what you can do is whether you can set up a Zoom call. Hey, let's hop on a call on a Zoom. Or Mr. or Mrs. The person, I want to give you a call, and I think you've already watched this. You left your information. Let me connect with you, and let me tell you what we have to offer, right? So the call is going to be another one. I have seen some scenarios where people sell directly on the landing page as well. It is rather harder, but it is possible. Or you can sell it like this as well. Now, when you are selling, few things that you have to pay attention to is you are talking with people who have already confirmed their interest. Therefore, when you're trying to sell to those people, do not try to over-prove yourself on the fit, because if they didn't think it was a good fit, they wouldn't be on that sales call with you anyways. They just want assurance. They just want clarity. That's the purpose of this sales system. Now, let's go over the entire system and how all of these three parts are working interconnectingly with each other. You have first the traffic that you're setting up, which is bringing attention, and then that attention is being filtered down to qualify, and the sales process is converting them into monetary value for your business, where traffic feeds the filter, filter is feeding sales, sales help improve your traffic because you can also improve your resources that you're spending on that, or your ads that you're spending the money on, and this entire system is working while you sleep. If that doesn't make sense, please let me know, because it has been working for me for years and I'm very comfortable with it. It helps me scale. It helps me have fun in my work because it gets me connected with people that wants to work with me, as opposed to me trying to prove myself on, hey, you need to work with me because I'm the best. Please, please, please. No more begging, right? So that's basically how the entire system works. Now, this system could be applied to multiple businesses, whether you're a contractor, whether you're a real estate agent, whether you're an agency that is serving particular niches. You're maybe a coach or a consultant. Maybe you have a structured sales process that stays the same, but you're not too sure. Maybe you have chaos in your business, or you don't have a proper system in place that could be repeatable, and each portion of that sales system could be improved. That is why TFS system works very well. I think this is the best system out there. I don't want to be overstepping on any toes, but it is so simple and it could be adjusted at a micro level. Therefore, it just makes it incredibly easy to scale.